In this video we're taking an honest look at Sellvia for dropshipping and whether it truly delivers on its promises. Sellvia positions itself as a streamlined solution with ready-to-use product listings, fast US shipping, and hands-off fulfillment, which can genuinely help beginners launch quickly. Many users appreciate the smooth onboarding and quicker delivery times compared to traditional overseas suppliers. However, it's important to be cautious. Sellvia's product catalog is smaller than most competitors, pricing can feel higher than expected, and its benefits are mainly limited to US customers. Some users also mention that profit margins can be tight, so careful testing is essential before committing fully. Overall, Sellvia can be useful if you want simple setup and faster shipping, but it's not a magic solution. It works best when you validate products, track costs, and scale responsibly. If this review helped, don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech breakdowns.